we live in I think we live in a dream world, us men. Yeah, yeah. In regards to um, that's what really spoke to me at that hui was we still believe we're the protector and the provider, but in actual fact we're not. It's actually like the roles have changed. The majority of breadwinners winners are now women, and so we're stuck at home. Well, not stuck at home, but we take on the role of the housewife, the house husband, whatever you want to call it. But we're still not doing our job there. I think it was Nyla Glavish. She said, "Oh, yeah, you know, mum goes out to work. You stay home, look after the kids. When she gets back, she's still got to cook tea. She's still got to clean the house up. Still got to do the washing." And sort of that spoke to me too, eh? Still got to do the kids. I thought, yeah, if I'm gonna be a house husband, I better be the bloody best house husband I can be. So yeah, and it also spoke about what I got out of that was about men standing up and taking back their role of the protector, of the provider, and actually just leading their families. Yeah.